Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to properly use crypto. Calm. First, download the Crypto. Calm app from your app store. Once installed, you'll need to complete a quick identity verification process to secure your account and comply with regulations. After verification, link a bank account or a debit card. This step is crucial for easily depositing funds and beginning your cryptocurrency journey. It's a straightforward process designed for your convenience. Buying and selling cryptocurrency on crypto. Calm is very simple. From the app's home screen, tap the Buy button. You can then choose from a wide range of cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and specify the amount you want. Review your order details carefully, then confirm your purchase using your linked bank account or debit card. Selling follows a similar intuitive process, allowing you to convert crypto back to fiat currency with ease. Crypto. Calm offers several ways to earn passive income. You can explore staking, where you lock up your cryptocurrency to support the network and earn rewards. Another popular feature is Crypto Earn, allowing you to deposit various digital assets and earn interest over time. Additionally, the Crypto Calm Visa card provides up to 8% cashback on eligible purchases, plus other benefits like Spotify and Netflix rebates, making your crypto work harder for you. Protecting your assets on crypto. Calm is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, using an authenticator app for an extra layer of security. Create a strong, unique password that includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Be extremely cautious of any unsolicited emails or messages. Crypto. Calm will never ask for your password or 2FA codes. Staying informed and vigilant is your best defense against potential threats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.